Let me show you how to achieve simple head wrap gele by yourself, step by step. I want you to focus your eyes on my hand. This video was made 3 years ago. Yes, 3 years ago, because this year 2026 I decided to start uploading my old video. As you can see, my skin was very dull there, but now my skin is skinny. 2026, my skin is skinny. Yes, I hope you focus your eyes on my hands. Yes, because I have too many head wrap videos on my platform, and I observe that people, they are no more interested in the gele head wrap. So what is the reason? I said okay, because I have more than almost 2,000 videos on my YouTube channel, and those videos, they are still on my Facebook page, Deck Beauty. So I said all the styles you need, they are there. I'm just suggesting maybe I will start doing another niche on this my page. So I'm still thinking, because people, they are fed up of gele head wrap. Yes, as you can see how we are wrapping this gele head wrap. The shorter one will go inside the longer one. That is what I will do now after the crossing. Yes, you tucking the shorter one after you cover your backside. Cover it, just tucking it inside the longer one and start your twisting. Twist, 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 twist. If you have nice hair at the back, don't open it. Just don't close it, you open it. This head wrap is very unique. It's good for all age group, especially the young people, or when you are going to events, you are going to church, nobody to help you, and you want to look unique. So this head wrap is all weather and all season. Is giving. This head wrap is giving, mature. Yes, you see the way I twist, twist, twist. If you are gele lover, you must get ready your pin. Pin, 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 to pin the part that need to be pinned. It's not easy. This explanation is difficult. Okay, we are going to use pin to pin that place, to tack that place, to secure that place. That's it. That is it. Yes. In case you are watching me for the first time, my name is Deck Beauty. I'm based in United Kingdom, London. I'm a makeup artist. Go to my Instagram, Deck Beauty. All my jobs are there. We do photo shoots. Recently, we start selling cream. Now my skin is skinny, is glowing, glowing, glowing. Yes. So this video you are watching is old video 3 years ago. So we do photo shoot as well. We do cuckoo. Go to my page. You will see all my job is there. My phone number is there as well. Yes, so this is the final. If you want it shorter, you can just bend that up. You can bend it a little bit to the back side. That is it. Very simple and classic. Yes, so if you want me to teach you any style, drop it in the comment section. If you have any picture of any gele video, drop it. All these are my work. Anything you see here, that is what I am doing. Yes, but now we sell cream as well. That will make you look glowing, glowing, glowing. My number is there for more information. I'm available to travel now. My work with this. So yes, so come and patronize me here in London. I'm available to travel all over the world. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye bye for now.